This is a quick video on a 4-drawer tech cart you get from Harbor Freight. First, put the casters on. There's swivel casters and then there's fixed casters. Put the bolts on loosely and then tighten everything up. Once you do this, then you need to put the corner struts on. Now, one thing to mention is the corner struts, the holes are closer to the edge for the bottom than they are for the top. Put the middle braces in and then tighten everything up. Once you do that, you're going to lift the toolbox into the section, and then you're going to put the bolts in, tighten all the nuts, but above the swivel casters you want to leave 2 holes open for the handle, and those are the lower holes. Then tighten those up, and you'll find that there's 2 bolts that are slightly longer than all the other bolts, and use those for the handle. Then you're going to put your gas struts in. You actually have 4 lock nuts you're going to use to put those in. And then after you do that, you need to tighten everything up, check all the drawers, and make sure everything is working, the lock especially, and you're going to be good to go. Just make sure you've tightened everything. And thank you for visiting John's Jeep Garage.